Start over. What's happening?
The last snow I made. Look at that salt port.
That's salt.
That preserves the snowball.
Must have.
You need.
It gives it a nice. It gives it a nice
How much salt
flavor. It gives it a nice umami flavor.
I individually packed them so they wouldn't all stick together.
Leo's asking for his snowball. Leo's ready for a
Okay,
snowball.
now, I want you to, once I give you the snowball, let's line it up, smallest to the tallest.
Smallest.
Hey, little guy, come here. What's his
Everett.
name, Everett?
Want to throw a snowball?
I don't think these are designed to be thrown at people.
No, and I'm
Just-
worried that
How are you
Just
gonna
by the
throw
by.
them? Where are they going to throw them?
you're
Up
going to
before?
throw them and you try to,
You can try to throw it at the
You-
Spider-Man.
yeah.
I'm
Spider-Man.
throwing it over the fence.
So, Everett,
Where's the
since
Spider-Man?
you're the smallest,
I'm throwing it in the sandbox.
yeah, well, into
One
the
at a
sandbox.
time. One at a time. You're going to do yours
Wait,
first.
actually, yeah.
Now, did you hear what I said? You gotta take it out, well, you could throw it in the package too.
Better hurry up
No.
before they drink them.
I can't see a thing
No?
with these towels.
Well, now. Oh,
Can
okay.
you just move them over? Slide them over.
I can open it.
All right. Well, maybe Everett will open his, I'll give everybody their snowball.
Is that you? Is that you next,
Everett
Leo?
goes
Then.
First. Everett goes first.
Okay, Everett's going to throw
Everett?
his first. Are you going to, Everett's going to, and are we throwing them from the deck?
Throw it up from the deck.
All right.
throws
Wait, how
before
come
I
Throw
do.
it for the sandbox.
No, Everett's first. No, I'm going to throw it over the fence.
Oh.
I'm throwing them.
Oh.
See who's going furthest.
It's like hail.
Throwing the furthest.
That is the.
Who's next?
I'm throwing the furthest.
Well, you-
Let's go. Whoa! Whoa!
Wow. Wow, Mitchell. Wow. Oh, he went over the fence.
Over the
this
fence.
is what you, Eli went over the fence.
Again, I'm really bad
You gotta go get the snowball and try it again. So they
You could probably get them and do another toss here from the deck.
He does have it pretty good.
Mom, when did you buy this place? 67?
68.
68.
It was a little camp.
800 square feet?
A little under.
Not quite.
Counting the basement, 800.
Mine went over the fence.
Well done, Leo.
I just threw it again.
Go Everett.
Mitchell, wait for Everett.
Everett winds up and delivers.
All right, Everett, watch out.
Watch out, David Price.
Years ago, there was a boy and he took the
And Everett. Whoa! Oh, nice. Oh, did you?
Far?
You found it?
Far?
There's no
Far.
cars on the other side, is there?
Should I throw far?
You should throw it far, yeah.
I'm a boy, I'm a boy. But she was
Whoa.
Hi.
Hi.